pasta pizza. And this is basically just a Hawaiian pizza, which everybody's had before. It's got ham and pineapple. I am poking holes in this crust to make sure that it doesn't puff up. This is just store-bought, really easy to use. Going in the oven at 500 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes, then we'll take it out and we'll top it and put it back in.
Okay.
Cool.
And if you don't have a pizza stone at home, an upside-down baking sheet works just as well.
Pizza is in, so I'm gonna go get some tortellini and the mozzarella cheese. This is just leftover tortellini, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to it to just get it, loosen it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna shake it up in here. It'll be ready to go. In my home, we add tortellini to almost everything. I mean, I don't let Garth make cookies because I just feel like that's the line for tortellini, but pretty much anything else he has ever added it to, it tastes great.
He's right, I mean,
he really is
does,
right.
yeah.
It works.
It works. It's really good too. I'm gonna get the pizza dough out of the oven.
Okay.
Ooh,
Nice. Easy.
Okay.
that looks good.
So we just cooked it for about 5 or 6 minutes, so it's just nice and light brown, and it'll continue to cook. So now we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top.
And this is going
And
there.
you're gonna, yeah, then red sauce. And just leave a little edge. You've made pizza a gazillion times. You don't need a lesson from your little sister.
Okay.
Now, would you like to add the toppings?
Sure, you want to help me?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
And we're just smattering.
Okay.
A smattering of ham.
Smattering.
Kind of like paintball, just kind of like giving it a shot.
No, that'd be spattering.
That would be spattering.
I see what you did.
I'm gonna add the tortellini. The mozzarella. And then we're gonna go back into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the cheese is melty, the crust is fully cooked.
Sweet.
That looks nice.
Does look nice.
All right, we're going back in.
Okay.
Ah! Beautiful. I'm gonna grab the pizza.
Cool.
Ready for some pizza?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Put that on.
Just gonna add a little bit of basil to the top.
Just wilt on there a little bit.
Just wilt a little bit and it will smell incredible. And then a little bit of red pepper, crushed red pepper. And then a little bit of this shaved Parmesan.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
That looks good. Yeah, dude.
I think this is kind of
It's pretty
beautiful.
That was violent.
You gotta get in at the end of the crust. That's how you do it. That's how you make it.
It's like
That's how
paintball.
you make it
gotta
work.
get out there and fire.
That's right. So now we just have to eat. That's like the last thing to do. So we'll grab our drinks.
good
Can
at
you
that.
grab the ranch dip? Because I
Yes.
think this would be really good on this pizza. I'm good?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, we're good. Never can go wrong with pizza. Beth, may I serve you?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Thanks.
Grab yourself a piece.
I'm gonna want a fork, right? You know me.
Yeah.
Anybody want some ranch?
Oh,
heck
totally.
yeah. That's really good. That is really good.
They're so garlicky. I love pineapple on pizza anyway, because I love the sweet.